One of the questions that I receive a lot of the times is, how is my approach at Oculus different than someone else's approach? I always recommend that people talk to other doctors and make sure that they understand the approach and they agree with it because, I used to wear a button that says, "Trust me, I'm a doctor," and it was like a little smiley face. And I like to say those days are gone. People are very educated. We have Google, we have different things where people can learn. And I like my patients to be educated because that way I can have better conversation with them. And when I see people and I go over a kind of an analysis of what's going on and what the possibilities are, a lot of times people say, well, it's a different approach than the other two doctors that I saw. And typically what it is, the other doctors are traditionally going from outside in. So you're seeing, scars around the ears, and you see a incision under the lashes, and a lot of things that we've done for a long time. But with modern holistic approaches, I can rebuild the face from the inside out. So by going through the mouth, going through the nostril, behind the eyelid, I can accomplish very similar things, but I don't put a scar on the face. And that's important to me if I can do that. It's very much like if you had your bed, you would make sure the frame was level, you would have a good box spring, a mattress, and then you'd put your sheet, and that would give you what I call that military bed look, where everything's tight and very straight. If you just try to pull your sheet and you don't pay attention to your mattress and box spring, it's going to look better, but over time, it's just going to go right back to what it was. And that's kind of the problem that we run into sometimes with a mini lift, or somebody, for instance, doing liposuction in the neck and they're not addressing the deeper structures. You're not going to have a good long-term result, and it's going to not look natural because it's going to look stretched. So if you want to have a natural rebuild, refreshing your own natural anatomy from the inside out, then come see us at Oculus, and we'll be happy to talk to you about all your different possibilities.